dolphins. Dolphins happening at the bow. Sandy's up there filming with the other camera right now. They're still up there?
Yeah, I'm just gonna get my, gonna take a couple still shots with my phone as well.
How many?
Oh, like 5 of them?
Five dolphins at the bow swimming. That's awesome. Do they say hi?
Yeah.
I saw them come up. I saw something come up with a fin and I said, oh my God, that looks like a big shark. And it came out of the water. I'm like, wow, I wonder if he's feeding on something. And then it got closer and I noticed it was a dolphin. Awesome. We were sailing along at about 5.5 knots. We have the third reef in the main today. And this is the kind of sailing Sandy likes. She doesn't like to go over 7 knots. She starts to feel the speed and it kind of freaks her out when the boat's heeled over. Oh well. This is the beauty of sailing, guys. I don't know if you can see it over there. That's raining. And over on this side, the sun is burning through the clouds. I must say, it's pretty spectacular out here. What a great sail again today. We're heading to Hog Key in the Ragged Islands. And we're getting south. We are pretty much, well, we're at the tip of Cuba. We're going to be at the tip of Cuba soon. Not that we're going to Cuba this year, but it has been on our minds. We are preparing to go someday. Not this year. Maybe when I retire. But look at that. You know what? I don't know if you capture what I'm capturing right now, but it's goddamn beautiful. That is beautiful. Look at it, just coming, pouring over there. And it's not coming our way. But you know, a freshwater rinse is always good for John Gomes. Absolutely, I could always use a freshwater rinse, according to Sandy. Wow, spectacular here. Yeah, we were just spearfishing again, and we weren't in the water more than 10 minutes, and another shark rolled by. And like I said, they're bull sharks. It ain't a black duck. So out of the water we come. We found this beach here, and we're hanging out. But this is the Atlantic. See, so we always fish in the channels where the Atlantic is, and like it's spectacular right over here where this red buoy is. It's spectacular, like the rock formation. There's lots of fish life. It's really good. But the bloody sharks, and I mean, like, I know they don't want us. All they want is some food, like, you know, if we shoot something. But I just can't. I wasn't going to tell Sandy about this when I saw it. She didn't see this when I saw it, and I wasn't going to tell her, but I had to tell her. And of course, she got out of the water right away. I told her to get out. But yeah, life in the Raggeds, a little tough for us. You know what? We just don't know. We're just not used to it that much. So I'm sure everything's fine, and the water is warm. But maybe we'll get over it. I just can't concentrate down here and spearfish, like, because, you know, I'm looking for fish and I'm looking for antennae in these rocks and these coral heads, but I'm also concentrating on my surroundings, looking for these guys in these gray suits, which is the sharks. We call them the men in gray suits. And so it's hard to concentrate on, you know, you got to be a better spear fisherman than me, that's all. You got to be able to multitask, you know, while you're spearfishing. I just haven't developed that skill at the moment. So we ended up on this beautiful beach, and the beautiful Sandy over there, she's picking up garbage or seashells. She's shelling, what you call shelling, and trying to find things. The sand here is really nice. And the temperature is perfect. Oh. We finally reached what we came for. That's a rock.
No, it's a sea bean.
That's a sea bean.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a nice size sea bean. That's a good size. That's a nice smaller size. And these things, as it turns out, we're now instructed that they come from Costa Rica, not Africa. But that's okay. That's a nice one.
Yeah.
You found one.
South America.